Hi, I'm Tyler from TELUS, and I'm here to answer the question, how do I reconnect my control panel to Wi-Fi? First, you're going to want to swipe over and check to see if you're connected to Wi-Fi. Even though the control panel leverages the TELUS cellular network to send and receive signal by default, it's still important to connect your control panel to Wi-Fi. A dual-path Wi-Fi and cellular connection ensures that if one connection becomes unavailable, the control panel can use the other connection to communicate. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, swipe down from the top of the panel, tap Settings, then tap Advanced Settings, enter your admin code, which is typically the first code you make, then tap Wi-Fi, then select your Wi-Fi network from the list below, enter in your password, wait for it to say connected, and once it does, you're good to go. You can also use this method if you've changed your modem or your name and password. Once connected, tap the home button and swipe over again to check the details to see if you're still connected. Then you're all set. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.